To start the installation process, locate the gpsetup.exe installation file that you saved. If you saved it in the default folder, that would be the Downloads folder. And if you chose another folder destination, that's where you would find that file. The next step is to double-click the file to begin the installation. If you're using Windows 8 or Windows 7, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator option. Then all you want to do is just follow the dialog boxes when prompted to install ProFile.